This video we're going to look at a Honda CBR 1000RR front brake fluid flush. First we're going to remove the screw and the retaining clip for the reservoir cap. Be sure that you throw a towel up on the tank of the bike and cover the handlebars and as much as you can in case any of this brake fluid splashes up. Next we'll take our MityVac and we will suck out all the old brake fluid from the reservoir, and then take a clean paper towel and wipe out the residue from the inside of the reservoir. We're going to take our fresh .4. This is .4 from CarQuest. I do like using CarQuest. It is a local merchant. CarQuest are usually locally owned businesses, and I like to support local U.S. businesses. So we're going to start on our left caliper first. We're going to break it free and we're going to pull one reservoir through the system. We want to keep an eye on the reservoir. We only want to pull enough fluid to get it down to the low level. Do not go past low. If you introduce air into your brake system, it's going to create more work for you. Now we'll jump on our right side. We're going to do the same thing. We'll remove our little rubber cap off the valve. Always be sure to clean that valve and put the rubber cap back on to save you from having problems later with your brake system. So we put our 8mm wrench on there. We're going to put our MityVac and we're going to start the suction, and then we're going to break that valve open and let the fluid flow. Remember, keep an eye on your reservoir. Do not let it get down below the low mark. So when you do the left side, fill your reservoir, then do the right side, and then finish up the bike by filling the reservoir. So now we've pulled the reservoir through each side of the front brakes. We tighten down our little bleeder nipple, and we're going to wipe it down with a clean paper towel, and we're going to put the rubber plug back on. Now I'm going to top off my reservoir with clean .4, again from CarQuest. I'm going to put the cap back on the reservoir. We'll tighten that down, and then I'm going to take the retaining clip and the screw and mount those back onto the reservoir. This pretty much concludes this video. As you can see, it's pretty easy to flush your brake fluid system. Please do watch some of my other videos.